Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync Google Calendar with your iPhone step by step. This complete 2026 guide will help you keep your calendar events updated across all your devices automatically. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Click the Settings icon in the top right corner and then select Settings. On the left side, under Settings for My Calendars, select the calendar that you want to sync with your iPhone. Now scroll down and click Integrate Calendar. Here you can see your calendar ID and other calendar information. This confirms that your Google Calendar is connected to your Google account and ready to sync with other devices. To sync it with your iPhone, open Settings on your iPhone, go to Apps, then Calendar and tap Calendar Accounts. Select Add Account, choose Google, and sign in with the same Google account that you use for Google Calendar. After signing in, make sure the Calendars option is turned on, and then tap Save. Once the setup is complete, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. Your Google Calendar events will automatically sync, and any event you create, edit, or delete will update across both your iPhone and Google Calendar. That's it. This is the easiest way to sync Google Calendar with an iPhone in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.